Today we're talking about something that can throw any trip off track. Flight cancellations. We've all been there, and it can be stressful, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through exactly what you need to do step by step if your flight gets cancelled. Welcome to the Travel Fixer, your ultimate guide to smooth journeys. Whether you're a frequent flyer, a budget-conscious explorer, or a family navigating the world, you're in the right place. Whether it's a weather delay or a technical issue, knowing your next move can make all the difference. So let's get started. First things first, stay calm. I know it's easier said than done, but panicking won't help anyone. Take a deep breath and focus. The first thing you need to do is confirm that your flight is cancelled. Check your airline's official website or app for updates. Sometimes, cancellations might be announced even before you hear about it at the gate. Also, take a look at the airport's flight board for the most accurate information. And listen carefully to any announcements at the gate. They'll give you details on what to do next. Once you're sure your flight is cancelled, head straight to the airline's customer service desk. Approach the staff politely and remember, they're there to help you. Have your flight details ready, like your flight number and reservation information, so they can quickly assist you. Ask them about rebooking options and whether they offer any compensation for the inconvenience. If the cancellation is within the airline's control, you may be able to rebook on a different flight, sometimes even on another airline. Now let's talk about your rights as a passenger. Where the circumstances are within an airline's control, you may be entitled to refunds or other compensation in the case of cancellations, and the right to care and assistance in the case of delays and rerouting. Make sure to ask what you're entitled to. Next, let's talk about rebooking. You'll want to get on the next available flight as soon as possible, and this could mean rebooking through the airline staff or even using the airline's app or website. Check for alternative routes or flights from nearby airports. If the next available flight is too far in the future, you might want to explore nearby airports or even consider booking with another airline. Time is of the essence, so stay proactive. If the airline is responsible for the cancellation, don't forget to ask for compensation. This could be in the form of meal vouchers, hotel stays, or even a refund, depending on the circumstances. If you decide to request a refund, make sure you do it as soon as possible, especially if you no longer wish to take the rebooked flight. Sometimes airlines offer compensation voluntarily, but don't be afraid to assert your rights if you feel they're not offering what you're entitled to. One of the most important things you can do is keep every receipt. If you incur any additional expenses like meals, accommodation, or transport due to the cancellation, make sure to hold on to those receipts. These will be essential if you need to file for reimbursement or compensation, so keep them handy. You'll need them when you claim your expenses. Now, if you have travel insurance, this is the time to use it. Travel insurance can cover many of the extra costs caused by flight cancellations, like unexpected hotel stays or missed connections. Be sure to check your policy and file a claim with your insurance provider. It's usually a straightforward process, but don't forget to gather all the documents and receipts you'll need. Sometimes rebooking just isn't possible or the delay is too long. In this case, it's time to get creative. If you're stranded at the airport overnight, look for accommodations through apps like Airbnb or check nearby hotels for last-minute deals. You can also use ride-sharing apps like Uber to explore transport options. Don't wait for the airline to take care of everything. You can manage your situation quickly with these apps. To recap, if your flight gets cancelled, stay calm, get the information you need, talk to the airline staff, know your rights, ask for rebooking or compensation, keep your receipts, and use travel insurance if you have it. Being prepared can help minimize the stress of a cancellation and ensure you get the best possible outcome. If you've had any experiences with cancelled flights, I'd love to hear your tips and stories. Share them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel solutions. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.